Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by positioning the iPhone where you can act fast. This reduces fumbling during stress. Once ready, press and hold the side button plus either volume button or rapidly press the side button 5 times on older settings. That combination brings up emergency SOS. If you see the slider, drag it to call, but make sure to continue holding if your iPhone is configured to dial automatically. This is designed to be the quickest way to summon help when seconds matter. Once the call connects, say who you are and the nature of the emergency in short sentences so dispatch can triage quickly. Your iPhone often shares location data to improve response accuracy, so make sure you stay on the line until told otherwise. This helps responders confirm where to go. If you're unable to speak, the dispatcher may still get a location ping. Also, first responders can view your medical ID from the lock screen. Make sure that information is up to date before an emergency happens. To finish, follow the dispatcher's instructions exactly and only hang up when they say it's okay. This ensures you get needed help and that responders have all details. Once safe, contact your emergency contacts and update your medical ID with any new conditions or medications. If the call won't connect, try the Control Center SOS shortcut, contact an emergency contact from your medical ID, or enable Wi-Fi calling. These alternatives can route help when...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.